Hello and welcome to my review of my Miele Blizzard CX1 Cat and Dog Powerline Hoover. Now I have 2 beagles and 2 cats, and that equals a lot of pet hair and a lot of hoovering every day. So I need a good hoover, strong, and that picks up hairs in all the areas including the upholstery like the sofa and the stairs, etc. I've had the Miele just over a week now and I'm super impressed and really pleased with it. It does everything that I need and it does everything really well. I also like how well built the system is. It's robust and just generally a really good quality, and has some great features on it which I will show you. It's bagless and really easy to change. So you just pull the handle up here and just hold the hoover down and slide this up and that'll pop out. And then you press the orange button there and that will release the bottom and all the dust and dirt will fall out directly into the bin, and it just slides back in super easy, and that's it. That's as quick as that. I love how it stands. You can slot it in here, or when you have the hoover up, you can also slide it in there too. It comes with 3 different heads. You got the pet one, the cat and the dog head, with 2 different power functions that adjust the head. And then you've got the hard floor brush head, which is perfect for the wood floors and the tiles, etc. And then the third one you've got is the Eco Plus. Again, it's got 2 different functions on there for hard floor and soft floor. Moving on to the base, there's 2 additional small heads. The crevice, these come in and out really easily. They tidy away nicely, and also the upholstery, and that just clicks back in there. It's got some great functions on it really. These are hand or foot buttons. So for example, if you want to turn it on with your foot, and if I just unplug it, this one here zips up the wire for you. The wire is sufficient enough for me to move the hoover around in 2 rooms comfortably. So yeah, I'm quite pleased with the wire length, which is good. And then you've got different power functions on here that you can change depending on your needs. I also really like the handle. It makes it so much easier to maneuver the hoover head around, and you can extend, and I've got it on full length at the moment, but you can also make this smaller like that. So that's perfect for if you want to hoover up, or you're hoovering the stairs. Yeah, so you can remove the pipe there, and then it just gives you more control to use the upholstery accessory attachment or the crevice attachment. So when you're doing the sofa, etc., or some tricky areas, corners, then it just makes it much easier to hoover around. And again, I just really appreciate the handle on this part, because it allows you to move it around much more effectively. So yeah, overall, this is a great hoover, really powerful, and no complaints at all, and definitely highly recommend it.